So in this video, we're going to look at the difference between an indefinite integral and a definite integral. So an indefinite integral might look something like this, the indefinite integral of f of x dx, and that represents a function of x. Your answer is a function, which represents a family of antiderivatives of little f of x. For example, the antiderivative of x to the fourth by the power rule is 1/5 x to the fifth plus c. So the antiderivative gives you a function in terms of x, as opposed to a definite integral, such as the integral from a to b of f of x dx. That's an accumulator, and it represents a real number, which is a constant that records the total amount accumulated by an antiderivative of f. So for example, the integral from 1 to 3 of x to the fourth represents 1/5 x to the fifth, and for the general constant, we'll just choose 0, evaluated from 1 to 3. So that means you plug in 3 in for x to get 3 to the fifth minus a fifth times 1 to the fifth, which gives you a number, 3 to the fifth divided by 5 minus 1 over 5. So we need, let's see, 3 to the fifth real quickly. Here's 3, oops. Let's see what that is on the calculator. 3 to the power of 5 is 243. Minus 1 would be 242 over 5. So that solution is actually a number. So an antiderivative or an indefinite integral gives you a function of x, and a definite integral, which has these limits of integration, represents a number.